Dear students, I am Vimla Kumar, your English teacher. We are doing revision. Today we will start revision of chapter 1, Be Prepared. Everyone please pay attention. I am reading this word meanings and question answers. You learn it. The students, those who do not have this word meanings and question answers, they will write in their notebook. And the students, those who have, no need to write. Okay, you learn it. Now see, word meanings. 1. Be prepared. Be prepared here means according to the chapter. Okay, you must always be prepared to do your duty. तैयार रहो. 2. Rumor. Something that is said about a person or thing which is usually untrue. Untrue means जो सही नहीं है, अफवाह. Tuck shop. A shop inside a school that sells स्वीट स्नैक्स एंड सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक्स. मिठाई की दुकान. 4. राशंस. अ फिक्स क्वांटिटी ऑफ फूड सप्लाई फॉर अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. राशन. 5. मोटो सिद्धांत. 6. जर्नी यात्रा. 7. सर्वाइव जीवित रहना, बना रहना. 8. सजेशंस सुझाव. 9. एनकरेजिंग प्रोत्साहित करना. ऑनर मालिक. क्वालिफिकेशन योग्यता. सप्लाई आपूर्ति. ट्रूप दल. कैंपिंग डेरा डालना. एक्सपीडिशन अभियान. पाउंडिंग ग्राइंडिंग स्पाइसेस इनटू अ पाउडर और अ पेस्ट. अवचूर्णन. 17. डेगची अ राउंड डीप पैन यूज्ड फॉर कुकिंग. डेगची. 18. nettle a herb with leaves that sting when touched, often added to food. बिच्छू बूटी. फिर 19. lack something, a way of saying the dish did not taste right because something was missing in it. कुछ कमी रह गई. 20. भुजिया a dish of fried vegetables. 21. tracking following the movements of a person to find them. नजर रखना. 22. try marks left behind by a person or an animal which shows that they have been there. पीछा करना. 23. cashew nut. glossary brown nuts usually roasted and eaten. गोलियां. 24. ingredients सामग्री. 25. ऑर्डर्ड आदेश दिया. 4. बहना गिराना. 27. टेस्ट स्वाद. सक्सेस सफलता. अनफॉर्चुनेटली दुर्भाग्य से. ट्रैकर्स खोजी. डिस्ट्रैक्टेड ध्यान भटक गया. ट्वीक्स टहनियाँ. रोम्ड प्लेड विथ अ लॉट ऑफ जॉय एंड एनर्जी. उछल कूद मचाई. 36. gathering gloom. The evening was slowly setting in and it was growing dark. यहाँ शाम हो रही थी, अंधेरा छा रहा था. 37. sleeping bags. warm padded bags used to sleep in, especially while camping. सोने का थैला. in a hoof angrily. गुस्से से. in a hoof angrily गुस्से. relented agreed to do something that he and refused to do earlier. ना चाहकर भी मान गया. 40. garnishing decorating सजाना. hours later घंटों बाद. few variations कुछ फेरबदल. couple of hours कुछ घंटों. village folk गांव के लोगों का समूह. limp मुश्किल से चलना. dandelion कुक्रोधा के पत्ते. Havoc great disturbance and destruction नाश. provisions food supplies व्यवस्थापन. uproar a state of total confusion usually with people shouting. कोलाहल. entangled caught up फंसा हुआ. made of escape निकलना. वंडर्ड भटकता हुआ आया. confusion उलझन, already पहले से, luckily किस्मत से, sight दृष्टि. Now it's enough word meanings. Now we will do question answers. Now pay attention. Exercise A, complete this sentence in your own words. आपको ये sentence complete करने. Okay. Now see, I am reading. The speaker won a cookery badge in the Boy Scouts simply because A. Rumor had gone around the junior school that he was a good cook. Now 2. The dish cooked on the first night at the camp was called bon bhujia because it was made up of fried vegetable. 3. Mr. Olivier walked into the forest, leaving a trail of broken twigs, pine cones and cashew nuts because to make the trail for the scout troop to find him in the forest. 4. The speaker lost his cookery badge because Mr. Olivier was angry and he collected all the badges including speaker's cookery badge. 5. Mr. Olivier wanted the speaker to cook an omelette because he was hungry. 6. The bear escaping into the forest was a funny scene because he came out of the tent in a dressing gown. Exercise B. Exercise B. Read these lines from the text and answer the questions. First line. Unfortunately, we were not very good trackers. Question A. Who does we refer to and were they tracking? Answer. We refer to the speaker Ruskin Bond and his friends. They were tracking to Mr. Olivier. Question number B. What did they do instead of tracking the person? Answer. They were distracted by a pool of clear water and jumped in and romped about enjoying the sunshine. 2. He had waited for us at the far end of the forest for a couple of hours. Question A. Who is he? Why had he waited at the end? Answer. Here, he is Mr. Olivier. He waited for the scout boys at the end of the forest. Question B. Was he able to return from the forest on his own? Why? Why not? Answer. No, he was not able to return from the forest because he got lost in the gathering gloom. Now 3. But we had to break up our camping early hours of the next morning. Camp in early hours of the next morning. Question A. What had been planned of the next morning? Answer. They planned for breakfast early in the morning. Question B. Why did they break camp early? Answer. They break camp early because stores was destroyed by a bear. It's completed. Okay, I have taken this revision of chapter first. The students, those who have these words, meanings and question answer, no need to write, learn it. And those do not have, please write down in your notebook and learn it. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.